Here we go. Good morning. My name is Samuel Indiana Jones. Today we'll be talking about Muay Thai, a little bit of history, a little bit how it's used in tactical populations today, why we will use it, the why. Used for tactical populations, just like I said. Benefits of it: self-defense. It's fun, engaging, right here, challenging. It's a great workout, great exercise, and it's useful for flexibility. You can see in many populations, older people up to 70, 80 years old still practicing this martial art, and being able to do splits. This can work for police, firefighters, not so practical as it would police and military, but still a great workout. Training can be performed with minimal to no gear. You can have wraps, gloves, leg pads, even helmets and mouth guards, but none of that is really applicable unless you're actually fighting with someone. You can always just practice in the air, shadow boxing. Of course, they call it the 8 of art limbs. One of the history stories said it was due to an ancient Thailand fighter that he was fighting with a sword. His sword broke, and he had practiced his Muay Thai, so he resorted to using his knees, elbows, and hands to attack. So practice for over 1,000 years, many different places. It's one of many different forms of martial arts. It says Muay Thai originated from Thailand. The Thai army is an ancient martial art and used as battlefield tactics. The art of 8 limbs. So they say the arms 1, 2, elbows 3, 4, legs 5, 6, knees 7, 8 limbs. Current practice, it's more than just self-defense. It could be used as takedown methods. So for police, special combat, breaking in and taking someone down, or for military hand-to-hand combat, very effective. More so back then than now, could still be used, but with guns nowadays, not so much, but still great for strengthening overall body strength and confidence. Police training, special forces. It's just something they use. Certain things here. So we can go through stances, but we got the front, side, shin, rounds, knee, jab cross, hook, uppercuts, and elbows. It's all about using that momentum on the floor of your feet to really rock the way you want to throw those punches. Round 1. It's a great workout. I do kickboxing myself personally, so I know a bit about technique and stance and the actual art of throwing hits. Train yourself discipline, whether it be hitting or controlling your hits, or taking hits, which is the next one. And fifth, license to kill. These are unregistered, but I'm looking into licensing these bad boys. So, like I said again, thank you. I didn't get too specific into the whereabouts and what they do specifically, but there's many different forms of martial arts that they can use for Muay Thai and martial arts, but overall, it's a great training effect and used all over in tactical